Okay, all right. So I'm Cara Lopez. I'm from Enderun Colleges in Manila, Philippines.
Hi, my name is Marlon Pura. I'm from Enderun Colleges and I'm the academic manager of our institution.
And what about what in your offer would be great for Vietnamese students that would like to study abroad?
Well, I think it's a combination of many, many things, but I would say first, we are an English speaking country, so definitely English is something that you would be learning, whether you're in our degree programs or in our certificate or language programs. English is the number one thing you would be learning, as well as, of course, the culture and our community. So we belong to a very tight knit community. We take care of each other and we really like family.
And what do you value the most in establishing an educational collaboration?
I think it's very important that we have collaboration with various institutions around the world to strengthen our educational system and to assist our students to grow and develop as responsible citizens and individuals that, of course, who will become leaders of industry in the near future. So it's very important that we work globally to make the best educational opportunities for students for a better world in the future. It's for us.
Yeah. And how do you like the event so far?
Love it. We are enjoying not only the food here, but the experience as well, meeting so many other people from different countries and cultures. We love it, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank
We're very pleased to be here. Thank you for
Yes,
inviting
thank
us.
you.